Good afternoon, guys, and here is the latest news which is coming up regarding the CBSE 12th board examination. And the news says this is not an official announcement, this is just right now what is in the air, but most probably we'll get the same announcement very soon. It says the CBSE 12th board exams from July 15 to 26 August, patterns likely to change. This is what till now. If you look in the depth of the news, it says the CBSE proposed to hold 12th board exam from July 15 to 26. Between this time period, they can conduct the exam. Final date sheet on June 1. The Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) is expected to hold class 12th board exams from July 15 to 26. The exact date sheet for the same will be released on June 1st. Okay, there are chances that CBSE can launch the date sheet on June 1st. The board after the board holds a review meeting, there will be a review meeting before that to assess the feasibility of holding the exams. The board exams will be held in offline mode. Okay, and what mode they are going to conduct, that is offline mode, not the online exam. A section of students has been protesting on the social media platform seeking the cancellation of class 12th offline exams. Some students they have protested, but still the exam is going to be there. The CBSE has proposed conducting exams between July 15 and August 26 and the result to be declared in September. So most probably then the result will come in the month of September of the exam. According to the sources, the final decision will be out on June 1st. The exams, however, will not held as per the regular protocol. Okay, further say the exams, however, will not be held as per the regular protocol. CBSE had suggested either holding exams only for a few subjects or holding the exam. It can be only for a few subjects, selected subject, holding the exams for 1.5 hours instead of 3 hours. Duration of exam has also been reduced. Now it is instead of 3, it has become 1.5. Most of the states in the meeting held yesterday between high-profile ministers and state education secretaries have drifted towards the latter option. Okay. Some ministers, however, had demanded a mix of both the possibilities. If Plan B is accepted, then the exam pattern will also be changed. For a 1.5-hour exam, there will be only be MCQs. Okay, the Plan B is to conduct the MCQ test, that is of 1.5 hours duration, and very short type of questions in the exam to allow the students to complete the exam in the given time. The exams will be of 90 minutes duration instead of the 3 hours, and will be conducted in same schools where the students are enrolled. The questions will be objective and very short answer type. Students will have to appear in the one language and 3 elective subjects. A source informed the news agency PTI. The tentative timeline for this option is the first phase of exams from July 15 to August 1st, and the second phase is August 8 to 26. Exams are proposed to be conducted on Sundays. Also, it added CBSE in its proposal had also suggested that in Plan B, a student can be given an option of appearing for exams in a later stage too, which will mean that if a student misses an exam due to COVID-19 related issue, they can appear for the board about 15 days later. Okay, this is the good part. Like if any student miss the exam due to COVID, then after 15 days they can appear for it. However, if this facility will be offered or not will be known on June 1st. Whether it is finalized or not, that will be finalized on June 1st date only. Further, the exams will be held under the strict precautions. Social distancing will be followed while making students sit for the exams. In 2022, CBSE board exams were held amid precautions. However, the exams had to be cancelled midway. While parents and students had raised the concern that regarding the health and the worry of the third wave of COVID-19 pandemic, Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal said both students and teachers' safety, security and future are supremely important to us. So this is something, the news which is coming in for the today, and official order for this most probably will come after the 25th of May. Alright guys, so keep watching our channel for the updates and have a nice day ahead.